Hello guys, welcome to today's video. Today I am making red velvet cupcakes, one of the best cupcakes out there. So the best idea is to have all your ingredients already weighed up and in bowls. So first of all, we're going to add 235 grams of self-raising flour. Then we're going to add 15 grams of cocoa powder. Then we're going to add 250 grams of caster sugar. Then we're going to add 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt. We also need 270 grams of unsalted butter. This should be at room temperature, guys. So you need 4 large eggs. So I've got my 4 large eggs in. So we're going to use the stand mixer and we're going to use the beater attachment. Now give this a mix for around about 1 to 2 minutes. We have 3 tablespoons of buttermilk and we are going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now we're going to add the red velvet colour. So this is the best one to use. It is a paste, not a liquid. As it's a small little container, I am going to just put 2 half teaspoons in. And then just give it a stir. Oh, look at that colour. Okay, and then we slowly pour it into the mixer. Is to scrape down the sides of the bowl. Make sure you get all that nice colouring. We have 3/4 of a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. We're going to add 1.5 teaspoons of cider vinegar. Now that's what we want, a nice fizz. Give it a little swirl. Give it a stir. Sorry about the fingers. And then put it into the bowl. And all we're doing now is just giving it a quick scrape down bit of a fold. Looks nice. Now what you want to do is fill them up to 3/4. Put these in the preheated oven at 170 Celsius for 22 minutes. Okay, my cakes are out of the oven, and first thing I've noticed is they've peaked. That means that my butter wasn't at room temperature. They're still lovely and soft, so yeah, we're still using them. We got 150 grams of soft butter, unsalted, in the mixing bowl. And then we're going to add 240 grams of full fat soft cheese. Now we're using the beater. And mix that up nicely. Now we've got 840 grams of sifted icing sugar, and we're going to put this in 2 halves into the mixer. The next bit of icing sugar. And all we need to do now is finish them off with a few sprinkles. And there you go, guys. Red velvet cupcakes. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have, please give it a like, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.